Hello, welcome to our nursery tour. I am 40 weeks pregnant and 2 days.
Dun dun dun.
So fingers crossed the baby comes soonish. We've just finished the nursery. We're obviously not going to be using the nursery for a while because the baby will be in with us for the first 6 months, but I wanted to get it all sorted so we haven't got to worry about it when the baby's here. So yes, come on in, it's like cribs. So, it's a very small room. We think we don't need to have a giant room for a baby, and we have just gone a bit OTT because we like that. So yes, come on in. First things first, I'm the realist. We have these pictures on the wall, which Sean has created. So these are our Disneyland Park tickets from last year in November, and that is, I'd say, where we found out I was pregnant, I guess. I didn't necessarily find out in Disney.
No, but we were on holiday in Disney.
On our honeymoon.
Exactly. Quite sweet to have.
Yep.
Just really simple.
It's a shame that I had a big ugly Cars one. That would have been nice if we could have had a bit of a...
They only had that and Cars.
Did they really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh really? And then underneath that is Sean's, both of us, but Sean's favourite, one of his favourite quotes from the man himself.
Adults are only kids grown up anyway.
And this is a card we got from Clinton's, which Sean has put in an IKEA frame, and these are obviously the Lego Disney figurine thingy-majiggies.
Yeah.
That just sort of jazz it up a bit.
Jazz it up a bit.
And this is the changing table. This, I think, this is from, I don't know what Sean's brother
IKEA.
Is it from IKEA? Changing mat and just the storage things from IKEA again. It's going to be a lot of IKEA in here.
Yeah.
And the chest of drawers itself is from Mamas and Papas.
Okay.
It is a...
I'll come around this way so you can see.
We got a 3-piece set from Mamas and Papas, chest of drawers, cot and wardrobe. So in here I have, we're having a boy, as I mentioned. I have some towels which I've cut up, which will go... be used to cover the willy, because if you didn't know, when baby boys get changed, as soon as the nappy comes off, the wee comes out. So Sean's mum, who has had 4 boys, has suggested you just put a towel over the willy, stop wee going absolutely everywhere. So that's them there. These, I believe, are to warm the changing mat first. So you put them down, and so the baby doesn't go on a cold changing mat, stop crying. And this has just got bits and bobs in. I do have reusable wipes, but these are disposable ones I've been given for free in like random baby shows and stuff. So we're going to use them. I'm just not going to do a tour of this, but these are my reusable wipes. They're the cheeky wipes in there. Random nappies again that I've been given, hand-me-downs from people, and just muslins and socks and hats. And just see my Marie Kondoing here.
This is the first and only time this drawer will probably look like this.
Beautiful. These are from Amazon dividers, and these are IKEA again. Isn't it beautiful? Anyway, and then this is a mobile that Sean has made. You may have seen it on our Instagram. So we had the Sum Sums, didn't know what to do with them. As we like up, Sean has made a mobile.
And it hangs just over the changing mat. This is very romanticised. This is exactly how we imagine it to be. We will change, this will spin, he will be quiet, and it'll all be wonderful.
Okay, and then above here we have a shelf. At the minute this is not organised in the slightest, it's just got stuff up there. This is just a basket full of random stuff, really, like sponges here, random creams, breast pads, gripe water. My friend gave me this, I don't really know what that is, but there we are. And a CD. Now that's what I call Disney bedtime. Just all various things there that need to be sorted out. A card from my friends, and then just various bits.
Our adventure book is from from our wedding, from my best man. We're going to use it to kind of document stuff.
Picture frame from Disney with no picture in it.
This is going to be a picture of the little man when he is first born.
As he's crowning away.
Yeah. Gross.
Oh, yuck. And then so underneath that we have a plate which my sister and her wife got us for Christmas last year.
Yes, yeah. I mean, it's been in a box and we've had no reason to use it until now.
And that's there. and we have a bookshelves from IKEA, which are spice racks, aren't they?
Yes.
With some books in them.
Yeah, so we just put a selection of books we've got at the moment in there.
Random ones.
One's from charity shops.
And obviously that's from Amazon. But...
That's from Amazon, and then you got like Winnie the Pooh ones down there, which we just thought, you know, we're going to get the kids reading early.
Yep, and then a grow egg which we got from Facebook Marketplace, which is a thermometer for the room, if you didn't know that already. And this is a light we have from Amazon. Is it not plugged in? Is it turned off?
No, hold on. It's a touchscreen one.
And then we could be using it for changing and for my chair. And then we have this giant chair, which is from IKEA, and we got it on sale. It was under £100, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was about £80 because it was in the return section.
Yeah, so that we've got a Mickey Mouse blanket here, and just a pillow. And this, although a bit big for the space, is so comfy. And then just so you know, this is also from IKEA. Don't look at my feet. This is an sheepskin rug from IKEA, but it's not real sheepskin. They have two. One is fake sheep and one is real. And obviously we have not got the real one because we are vegan. Oh yeah, and then we have this up print which we bought from Disney World 2016.
Mm-hmm.
And
we had it framed.
isn't it beautiful?
Annoyingly, we had to actually go get it framed properly at a picture framers because it's an American size.
Yeah, it's annoying. You couldn't get an IKEA frame for it, which would have been better. But yeah, it's very pretty. It is in keeping with our up.
Little figurines that we have dotted around.
You see?
The room.
And then we have this wooden iPad / phone holder, again from IKEA. Everything's from IKEA. Just going to be so I can sit in this chair with child and watch something here and not have to worry about it falling off. Moving around, here is the cot setup area. It's probably my favourite side of the room. Will you say so myself?
That is so rude.
This is an Angel monitor, isn't it?
Halo.
Halo, yeah. It's a baby monitor, obviously. It's a bit jazzy. We got it on the Amazon discount day, so we did get quite a good discount on it. And it plays music, does lights, does like stuff on the ceiling and things like that. So.
I think ideally it is on the other side of the cot because I'm presuming because obviously that's in the way there, but our room's so small that it kind of fits and it's not going to get in the way. It's only us here.
Yep. And then obviously we have a selection of toys which will obviously not be in the room, in the beds when the baby is in there, but they are there for now. One of some of our favourites. And avocado.
Avocado. I'm still looking for a sriracha jelly cat, if anyone knows if there's one.
And this is from Scotland where we did our pregnancy reveal online. Yeah, so these prints. So we obviously have the Jungle Book, Dumbo, 101 Dalmatians and Bambi. And we found, which ones did we find? We found like two of them on the streets.
The two I'm pointing at now, yeah, Dumbo and the 101 Dalmatians were framed on the side of the road.
We found them on the side of the road really randomly ages ago.
Yeah.
And so then Sean had this from when he was a small child.
Yep.
And never used it for anything. And then this one, Bambi, we got from a Facebook Marketplace person was selling a bunch of them. And so yeah, there we are. They're the selection we have chosen for the room. And Sean's obviously used IKEA frames to put them on the walls.
IKEA frames and made sure that they're secure. So they have the connectors top and bottom up because obviously they're above the cot, so we don't want them to fall down.
Nope. So yeah, that's this side of the room here, and we just have like future stuff in storage underneath.
In jail.
In there, which we don't need for a good few years.
Yeah. Keeps it out of the way.
Keeps it out of the way. And then onto this side of the room, so we have our wardrobe, which is already stocked, as you can see. Again, it's just various bits in there. I got these dividers for clothes dividers from Bello and Me, I think the brand is called. I can't remember. They're dividers, so they're just very not all the clothes are here. obviously, that will go on till 12 to 18 months. Some are put away under the cot. These are just things that don't fold up as well, and are things I want the kid to wear, like this, for example.
This kid's gonna love us.
And like this, for example. So yeah, and there's just various baskets of toys and sleeping bags and other stuff that I'll sort out later. And then on top we have some nappies and what's in this one?
Wipes.
Random wipes, yep. And then these are light up things, I think from Tiger. There are batteries in them. Again, they're things we'll just sort them out later, there's no hurry for that. And then behind the door here, we have a Tommy Tippy bin and a regular bin. We have this creepy but amazing rabbit hook.
It's real.
It's a real rabbit head.
Yeah.
And my changing bag, which is not stocked because I don't know how to do a changing bag, but I'll sort that out later. But yeah, and that's from Amazon. And yeah, I guess that's the room. Small, sweet, has everything in it. What else could you need?
Has everything you need.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this brief and colourful nursery tour, and I'll leave any links I can down below. And yeah, see you next time when there's a baby in the room. That's what I'm going to do. Bye!